Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's me Kamran, son of Ali Ahmed. Today I'm happy to be here. I enjoy teaching in a simple and friendly way. Alhamdulillah, I've been teaching as well as I am studying at the UMDC, United Medical Dental College for BSN. And Alhamdulillah, with that, I'm teaching at the Jilani Academy at the Korangi Coast Guard. We are providing computer courses, language courses, and we have multiple teaching schooling system is available. And Alhamdulillah, we are teaching online classes, and with that physical classes we are motivating the students how to develop their confidence and english about english as you know, english is very important in our life, which helps us to get a good job, to improve yourself in the front of others, to talk with the foreign peoples. Okay, so I think english is the vital part of our life, which helps us to uh, develop our confidence, which helps us to grow in our life. And Alhamdulillah, I have completed my language course from Jilani Academy in 2019. Now I am working here as a teacher, and this is the one of good opportunity for you and your children to come take an admission and get this wonderful opportunity for your children and develop their confidence. And Alhamdulillah, our admissions are going on. You can take online classes and physical classes by Sakafran, and the language class timing 5 to 6 o'clock. You can come and take admission, and there are Jilani Academy providing online and physical classes. Thank you so much for your support. Allah Hafiz.